Ever felt like you're fighting an uphill battle when trying to lose fat? You're not alone. Fat loss is a struggle for many. It's not just about diet and exercise, it's a complex process involving many factors. One factor that's often overlooked is our very own brain. Yes, that's right. The brain plays a crucial role in fat loss. It's a fascinating interplay of neuroscience and physiology. So, are you ready to discover how your brain could be the key to unlocking your fat loss potential? Welcome to Liege Academy AI, where we fuel your growth and unlock potential. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to dive into transformative insights and access our exclusive free Liege Academy Essentials Vault. This vault provides PDF summaries of our videos, key for enhancing your learning. Let's dive into today's topic. We often overlook the brain's role in fat loss, focusing primarily on diet and exercise. But did you know your neurons play a significant part in this process? Yes, those tiny nerve cells in your brain are more influential than you might think when it comes to shedding those extra pounds. So how do neurons weave themselves into the fat loss narrative? Well, it's all about communication. Neurons are the body's communicators, sending and receiving messages that control everything from your heartbeat to your hunger. When it comes to fat loss, neurons communicate with your fat cells, influencing how much fat you store and how much you burn. Just think of neurons as the managers of your metabolism. They regulate your metabolic rate by sending signals to your thyroid, which produces hormones that control how quickly your body uses energy. When your neurons tell your thyroid to speed up, your metabolism increases and you burn fat faster. On the flip side, if your neurons tell your thyroid to slow down, your metabolism decreases and you burn fat slower. But the influence of neurons doesn't stop at metabolism. They also play a key role in controlling your hunger and satiety. Certain neurons in your hypothalamus, a part of your brain that controls many bodily functions, send out signals that make you feel hungry or full. So if these neurons aren't functioning properly, you might find yourself feeling hungry even when you've eaten enough, leading to overeating and weight gain. Now, you might be wondering, how can I make my neurons work in my favor for fat loss? The answer lies in lifestyle habits that support neuron health and function. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet rich in nutrients, adequate sleep, and stress management can all help your neurons function optimally, promoting a healthy metabolism and appetite control. In conclusion, neurons are not just passive bystanders in the process of fat loss. They are active players, influencing your metabolism, your appetite, and ultimately, your ability to lose fat. Understanding your neurons' role in fat loss can open up a whole new world of possibilities for your fitness journey. Not only do neurons play a role, but your hormones also have a significant impact on your ability to lose fat. Let's take a moment to understand how. Our bodies are regulated by a complex network of hormones, each with its own unique role. When it comes to fat loss, several key players make a difference. Firstly, we have insulin. This hormone, produced by the pancreas, helps control blood sugar levels by signaling cells to absorb glucose from the bloodstream. However, if insulin levels are consistently high, it can lead to increased fat storage. You see, when insulin levels spike, our bodies are signaled to store energy, often as fat. Next up is leptin, a hormone released from fat cells. Leptin signals to your brain that you have enough energy stored and that you don't need to eat more. However, if your body becomes resistant to leptin, which can happen with chronic overeating, your brain might not get the memo that you're full, leading to overeating and increased fat storage. Then we have ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone. Ghrelin is produced in the stomach and signals to the brain when it's time to eat. When you're dieting or in a state of calorie deficit, ghrelin levels can spike, making you feel hungrier and potentially leading to overeating. But here's the interesting part. These hormones don't work in isolation. They interact with each other and the nervous system in a complex dance to regulate our metabolism and body composition. For example, when you exercise, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which can stimulate fat burning. These hormones also interact with the nervous system, influencing neuronal activity and metabolism. It's a delicate balance, and understanding how these hormones work can help us make more informed choices about our diet and lifestyle. By tailoring our habits to work with, rather than against, our hormonal and neuronal networks, we can optimize our bodies for fat loss. As we see, hormones and neurons work together in complex ways to regulate our body's fat storage and burning processes. It's a fascinating field of study with vast implications for our health and well-being. Now that we have a better understanding of the science behind fat loss, how can we use this knowledge to our advantage? First off, let's talk about exercise. While it's true that any form of physical activity can aid in fat loss, not all exercises are created equal. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a particularly effective method. This involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. It not only burns calories during the workout, but also revs up your metabolism for hours afterwards. Next, let's look at diet. No, we're not talking about restrictive, joy-sapping diets. Rather, consider a balanced approach, focusing on nutrient-dense foods that keep you feeling satisfied. Lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats should be staples in your meals. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally and can help keep your hunger in check. We can't forget about the importance of sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for fat loss. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hormone Ghrelin, which signals hunger, and less of the hormone leptin, which signals fullness. This can lead to overeating and weight gain, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Last but not least, manage your stress. Chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that promote fat storage, especially around your midsection. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as meditation, yoga, or simply taking a walk in nature. Remember, these aren't quick fixes. They're lifestyle changes meant to promote long-term health and fitness. It's about creating sustainable habits that you can stick with, not just for a month or two, but for a lifetime. By applying these science-backed strategies, you can start to see real changes in your health and fitness. And remember, progress may be slow, but it's still progress. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every step you take towards your goals. Let's summarize what we've learned today. We've delved deep into the neuroscience behind fat loss, unveiling the crucial role that our neurons and hormones play in this process. By understanding how our body's systems interact and influence each other, we are better equipped to make decisions that optimize our health and wellness. We've discovered that it's not just about diet and exercise, though they are essential components. It's also about understanding how our nervous system regulates metabolic processes and hormone levels, influencing how our bodies burn fat. We've learned that targeted exercises and dietary adjustments, aligned with our unique body's needs, can significantly enhance our fat loss efforts. But perhaps the most crucial takeaway is that small changes can lead to big results. By integrating science-backed approaches into our daily routines, we can transform our health and energy levels, ultimately improving our personal and professional performance. Remember, knowledge is power. The more we understand about our bodies, the more empowered we are to make the best decisions for our health. So, keep seeking out new insights, keep learning, and keep growing. Thank you for journeying with us towards greatness. Don't miss our free Lead Academy Essentials Vault in the video description, a treasure trove of PDF summaries to enrich your exploration further. If you're inspired, like, subscribe, and explore the video description for more resources. Until next time, keep striving for your best.